Hey guys, Mano here and welcome to the channel. We are at Drake's Motorcycle Parts. This shop is just a stone's throw away from my place, and they're one of the few shops in Cebu that has a dyno and specializes in ECU tuning. And we will be putting my modified XR150L to the test. We all know that the stock XR150 is not a fast motorcycle. It's a simple off-road capable bike meant for simple things. Now my bike has some mods done to it, like the 17-inch Supermoto wheels, the 198cc big bore kit, dimpled and ported head for turbulence, a 28mm carb for more fuel, and a custom-made full exhaust. Now for gearing, I'm currently running a 520 chain setup, 13 at the front and 40 at the back. Now acceleration is quick with this one, but at an expense of top speed. Now just to let you know, this is an impromptu dyno run. This is actually the first time this shop has had an XR150L on their dyno, so this run is not fully calibrated, especially for engine speed. We will simply be getting horsepower, torque, and top speed. Tukan. Hindi lang. Damn bro, naarap ka nih. Wala akong ganahan makuha. Awag tang pero ganahan sa kibaw pila karon. Para na ko'y baseline ba? Alrighty, the results are in, and it looks like my XR still needs some fine-tuning. Carburation is not spot on, and I definitely need to change the jets to make it run better. If you are an expert at reading dyno charts, your insights are highly appreciated. Well, that's all I have for you today. Like this video and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have something to say about this dyno run, feel free to leave a comment. As always, see you next time. Bye.